Hey guys, so me and Nasim are headed to the doctor's office right now, and we're going for an audiology appointment. He has to get his hearing checked just to make sure that there's nothing you know, going on, just because it can happen at any point. Things can change. So that is what we're up to right now, and we will be at the doctor's for the hearing appointment in just a second. So we just got done with our appointment and he did so well. I did not record it, but we were in the room and there was sounds playing on either side, and he had to kind of look in the direction of the sound, and he did really well. She said that she thinks that one of his ears may be a little bit clogged up, but nothing too serious. It could just be him today, could change tomorrow, so it's nothing we should worry about, but we should definitely keep an eye on because he has been pulling at his ear. Are you talking, huh? He has been pulling at his ear, but I think it's more so a discovery than an actual problem. I'm happy about that. Also, look at this shirt. It's so cute. It says, "My extra chromosome makes me extra cute." I love it. It's from an organization that we are a part of, and this is like their welcome gift. And it's a 12-month shirt, so I thought we gotta wear this soon. But it's actually kind of big though. It actually fits like an 18-month shirt, but it's 12 months. Are you drinking out of your cup? Look at this guy. You wanna play with the drum, boo-boo? Hey guys, so we are back at home. I actually have my hair tied up. We got home and Nasim needed another nap, and so did I. So I put him down for a nap. Then I went down for a nap. I took a nap. And look at him, it's the smiley face. What you smiling about, huh? What? What is it? Hi, boo-boo. Hi. Hi. Big boy. Hey, big boy. Yeah. Get them out. Woo! Whoa! The drum. Here, let's put the top back on so you can play with the drum. We're just playing. He already had his dinner. Ahmad has a basketball game tonight, and we just FaceTimed him, which, oh my gosh, I should have caught it, because when Nasim sees Ahmad's face, he just is like on cloud 9. Like, really, he sees his face and he just like glows, whether it's in person or on the phone, and he was so into seeing daddy. So yeah, we're gonna play for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to put him to bed. Let me see you. Oh yeah. You wanna hit my stick? You can't have all the sticks. Okay, you can have it, I guess. You gonna drink out of the cup? Is there anything in there? What's in that cup? Huh? Is something to drink in that cup? Huh? me. I can't answer that for you, said the starfish. Maybe the wise octopus can help you. Right here. Turn the page. Turn it. Thank you. You want to eat the fish? Rainbow Fish went to the octopus for help. The octopus said, give away your shining scales. You won't be as beautiful, but you will be happy. He was the happiest fish in the sea.